Hello everyone, today we'll talk about fact families. Your classwork is page 353, 354, 355. And the homework, you can do it tomorrow, page 356. Okay? Fact families, you can see here what we have. House, where the family can sit inside the house. And we have minus sign, say hi for the minus, and plus sign. You know that plus sign and minus sign are opposite, like cold and hot, fast and slow. Now let's see what the meaning of fact families. Fact families shows the relationships between the three numbers. Okay, so that's mean I will use three numbers. There are 4 addition and subtraction sentences. How many sentences I will use? 4. 2 for add and 2 for subtract. Created using the same 3 numbers. Okay, so in fact, families, I will use the same 3 numbers. Keep this in your mind. So I will use the minus sign and the plus sign. 2 sentences for subtraction for minus and 2 sentences for plus sign for addition. Let's revise the keyword of subtraction. Missing, lost, take away, fly, go, went. How many are left? How many are still? Okay? And for addition, the plus sign which puts the numbers together so your number will get greater. Okay? It puts 2 numbers together. You see, it has 2 hands to put the numbers together. This is a plus sign. It has 2 hands. Okay? And the keyword of addition is all together, join and add. All together, join and add. Okay, we can use also the word also, now. If I add more, okay, I put more, so I can use with it plus sign. Now, let's talk about fact families. On this fact families, you can use I having 3 numbers, 17, 9, and 8. What can you tell me about this house? Who lived in this house? 3 numbers, 17, you see here, there is a line here, you see it? 17, 8, and 9. The word and mean what? Plus sign. Now, as you can see, the house is separated with, here should be a line here also. 3 areas, 3 rooms. The big room for whom? For 17. The big room for 17, because 17 is the big number. And I have here 9 and 8. The 2 parts, the 2 small numbers. Okay? If you will draw by yourself, you will draw it as triangle if you like. We can draw it as triangle. We can put 17 at the top. He is the daddy or the mommy as you wish. And here 9. Say hi. And 8. The 2 kids. I put them together. Okay? So I will use the plus sign to put them together to have 17. Who is outside the house? Minus is waiting for someone to go out so it can eat it away. Okay? Now, you can draw it on another way, like I draw it as rectangle or a square, anything you like. And you will put the big room for daddy. 17 will sit up. Are you drawing with me? Please draw with me. And here put 2 rooms, small rooms for 9 and 8. Okay? Now, Let's see what the meaning of relationship between these three numbers. It's like when you are living in your house with your family, you have a relationship with your mom or your dad or your brother and sister. You are connected together, okay? That's why you are living together as a family in a house, okay? Connected. Relationship, that means the numbers are connected together. Okay, let's see that. So here on the whiteboard I can write and I can change the color. Okay, let's see. My numbers are 17, 8 and 9. Okay, so again I'll draw it here. Triangle, put it all the time here. 17, 8 and you have here 9. Okay, now between this I will put the plus sign here. Remember always to put plus sign to remember that you put the two small parts together, the two kids together, okay, to have a happy family. So I will put 8. Say hi for the 8 and you can put the hair plus 9 equals what? Daddy 17. Okay, 17 is the daddy or mommy as you wish. Okay, I can put here. Now 8 and 9 can change their places. They are playing inside the house. They can change their rooms. Okay, so I can write it again. 9 plus 8. Okay, don't forget about the hair. Equals what? Equals 17. The daddy or the mommy as you wish. Okay, so here I got two sentences. I use plus sign. That's why we say 2 for add, two sentences for add and 2 for subtract. Now one of the kids go outside the house. Who will eat it? Who will take it away? Minus sign. Excellent. So what I will say now, the daddy will go to ask about how many are left with him. Okay, who left with him in the house? He will go to the minus. The minus said what? Count from the small number to the big number. You remember the story? So we will start always with what? Daddy. So 17 will go to ask about his kids. 17 minus, okay, 8, if you like 8, or here in this case, yes, minus 9. 9 went out, equals what? Who left with you? 8. 8 left. Okay, again on this time 17 were in the house, and of course 8 and 9 didn't listen to their daddy. Now who left out? Who left? This time 8 left out. Okay, 8 went out. Who stay with me? What do I have now with me? 9. The daddy will go and ask about the number that is left with me. Okay, so how many sentences I have? 4. You can see here 2 for add and 2 for subtract. 2 for add, you see them, and 2 for subtract. How many numbers I use? Did I change the numbers? No, I still using 17 here, 17, 17, 17, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, okay, 9. So, did I use number 0, for example? No. Is 0 from this family? No, it's not from this family. Can 0 enter inside this house? No. Can 5 enter inside this house? No. Only I can use 3 numbers, 3 same numbers. So repeat after me. What can I can use? 3 same numbers. Who are they? 17, 8, and 9. Okay? Let's do it again. I will erase everything and start over again. Now, I will do it one more time with a new family. Okay? Let's open our math book, page 353. How can you write 353? Before you open the page, can you write it on a paper? 300. Did you know how to write it? 53. So I'll show you how to write it. 353. Okay, now I will ask you a question. 3, is it odd or even number? Odd or even? Remember, 3. It's odd. There is number left alone, so it's an odd. Okay. So here I have 3 numbers. What are they? 5, 7, and 12. You see them? They give me the first 3 number, 5, 7, and 12. I'll put them inside the house. So the first step, draw the house. You can draw it as a rectangle or like a triangle. It's up to you. Who is the whole big number? 12. I will put it up. Right, 12 up. What are the 2 small numbers? 5 and, put plus between them, and 7. Okay? Who's waiting outside the door? The minus. Remember, the minus is outside the door. Okay. Can I use any number outside this family? No. Only 5, 7, and 12. As you can see, I can change the places for 5 and 7. I can change the places. Okay. So it will be 7 plus 5. I use 2 plus sign. Now, I will write the subtraction. I will start with the whole big number. Sorry. If you can see, this is the daddy. Okay? Whole big number. The daddy or the mommy, as you wish. Minus 5. If you cover the 5, what will left with you? 7. Now, if 7 didn't listen and went out, what will left with me? 5. You see, I changed their places. One time here, one time here. Okay? Are you ready to do it here? Again, the first step, what you will do. Ready? What you will do? Excellent. You will draw the house. Let's draw it together. This is a triangle. What you will put up? 14. Amazing. You can consider it as a daddy or mommy. Okay. What are the 2 small parts? The 2 kids, 6 and mean plus 8. Is it clear? Who is staying outside the house? Minus sign, put it outside. Okay. Now, how many numbers I will use? 3 same numbers. 6 and 8 can play together inside the house, so they will change their places. Okay, let's change the places. 6 will come here and 8 will come here. 6 plus 8 equals what? 14. The whole big number, the daddy. Okay. Now, I have 2 for minus. What I will put here? Minus. Remember, the daddy, the one who will go to the minus sign and ask about his kids. When you are lost, who will go to find you? mommy or daddy, they will go to search about you. Where are you? Okay. Now, one time 8 went out of the house, so you can cover number 8. It went out of the house. One time 6 went out of the house. So if 8 is outside the house, who will left with me? 6. Now, if 6 go out, change the places, who will left? 8. Okay? Just remember, subtraction always start with the whole big number. Now, how many numbers are used? 6, 8, 14. They are a family. They are connected. How many sentences? 4. 2 for add and 2 for subtract. Okay? Let's see. Move to the next page. What come after 353? Add 1. Next page. 354. Let's go to page 354 in your math book. Here we go. Now let's see. They say use numbers to write fact families. Again, how many numbers I will use? 3. Same numbers. Now in this case, they put it like this. Okay, and you will find the answer. What I will do first thing, draw a triangle. Who is the daddy? 8, 7, and 15. Who is the daddy? 15. The two sons, 8 and plus 7. Who's waiting outside? Minus. Let's add them. 8 plus 7, circle 8. Put 7 on your fingers. Count after 8. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And the answer is 15. Now I said 2 for add. So this is 2. This is number 1. And this is number 2. 2 sentences for addition and 2 for subtract and 2 for minus. Okay? Always remember, in subtraction you will start with a whole big number. Now let's change the places for addition. You'll put 8 up and 7 and you will have the same answer, 15. Minus, you always start with a whole big number, 15, 15. You see how I write here 15 and 15? Now change the places. One time you write 8, one time 7. So here 7, here 8. Here you go. How many related facts I have? 4. 2 for add and 2 for subtract. Let's see the other one. Same thing. 4, 7, and 11. What you will do? Draw the triangles again. What you will put up? 11 is the daddy. 11. Here you have 4 and 7. 7 plus 4 equals, circle 7, put 4 on your fingers, count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Amazing. We said 2 for add and 2 for subtract. You see? Change the places. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Subtraction. Always start with the whole big number. 11 here and 11 here. One time I take away 4. One time I take 7 away. What will left with me? Here 7 and here I have 4. Okay. Sorry, let's move to the next page. On the same page 354 we have a problem solving. They say John used numbers 8, 2, 3 and 11 to make a fact family. One number does not belong. Which number is it? Look carefully at my numbers 8, 2, 3 and 11. Okay, now let's think about them. We say I will use 3 numbers, not 4 numbers. And here they put 4 numbers. 8, 2, 3, 11. I'm sorry about that. 11. Okay, now what I will do. Let's try 2 and 3 together. If I put 2 plus 3 together, what is the answer? 5. You see 5 on this family, they should be family. They should have 3 numbers. Can you see 5? No. No, so I cannot put 2 and 3 together. Okay? Now, let's try to put 8 with 2. 8 and 2, because 11, I cannot have it from 3 and 2. 8 and 2 equals 10. Do you see here that I have 10? No, no. Let's try 8 plus 3 equals 11. You see I have 11, I have 3, I have 8. Who is not on this family? If you write 11 is the daddy, 8 and 3. Who is not from this family? 2 is not from the family. Okay, so I will write 2. The answer is 2. Now let's move to the next page. 355. You have here a family. I want you to draw the house. Who will be the daddy? 11. The 2 sons, 2 and 9. Amazing. You have another one to have to write a family. What you will do? First step, draw the house. Amazing. Think, who is the daddy? What do you think? Who will sit at the top? Amazing. 13. So I will write 13. Who are the 2 brothers? 8 and mean plus 5. I have 2 for add and 2 for subtract. In addition, I'll put the 2 parts together, the 2 small numbers together. 8 and 5 equals, circle 8, put 5 on your fingers, equals 13. Okay. Now, change their places. They can play inside their house. 5 and 8 equals 13. Okay. Subtraction, you always start with what? Who will be sad if you lost one of your parents? So I'll put 13 here. Minus 1 time 5 went out the house, didn't listen to their daddy, and they went out. Who will take it away? If the number is missing, who take it away? Minus. How many are left with me? 8. Now let's change again. If 8 didn't listen to their dad and went out, what will left with me? 5. Okay, so remember, always I use same 3 numbers with 4 related facts to be connected together, 2 for add and 2 for subtract. I hope you can solve the homework for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow start to solve the homework. Okay, listen to it again tomorrow. Listen again to this video and try to do your homework. Okay, thank you for listening.